I am here at Clark's Collision in Hesperia, California, and I am here with Janelle. She approached me on Facebook when she found out that I had to get my car repainted, and saying that she would like to help out. So I'm really happy and excited. So can you tell us a little bit about your shop?
Sure. My husband and I have been here for almost a year and a half. We finally decided to kind of do our own thing rather than work for somebody else. He's been doing this for about 20 years, as well as I, on the insurance side. And he grew up in a body shop. His dad was a body man and painter, and my dad's always been into mechanics, so this is kind of where we've fallen in our careers, and something he enjoys to do. It's his hobby, and here we are.
That's so cool. So maybe we can look around the car and see kind of what we would have to do to it.
Sure.
Alright, so we find some imperfections on the car. As you can see, like on the door jambs. Some places are very rough. The texture is not even. The seam sealers and the interior of the car is not well done. The car is nice, but it's still far away from the quality that we're expecting to get. The show car that we're looking, some imperfections on the bottom of the quarter panel, overspray, bad buffing, resealer the whole car, floor panels, engine compartment, and the trunk. So everything is going to be redone and repainted and refinish the whole thing again.
So I have all the paperwork ready, and I am so excited to follow up and see how everything is going. Thank you guys so much for everything. They invited me to come back and possibly work on the car myself and maybe paint a little. So I'm really excited about that. And I'm going to be coming here a lot to see how everything's going. And I will follow up with everyone. And thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys later. Bye.